I am going to about function type in Swift. Today I am going to about function type in Swift. First of all, what is function? Function are self-contained chunks of code. Function are self-contained chunks of code that perform a specific task. That perform a specific task. And today I am going to about function type in Swift. Every function, what is function type? Every function has a specific function type. Made up of the parameter types and the return type. Of the function. So first of all, then we are going to create a function. For example, sum of two numbers. Function, then we are going to create a function sum of two numbers. Sum of two integer numbers. And which have two parameters, a which is type of integer and b which is type of integer, that have two parameters, and return this is a integer. So our function of sum of two numbers, return this is the integer, so return sum of two numbers, a plus b, sum of two numbers. Our function is complete. And same, this is a copy and we paste the sum of function sum, and this is the function is multiply multiple, and sum of multiple of two integer numbers. And multiple two integer numbers of which have two parameter, integer a, integer b, and return type of integer a. So it is a multiple asterisk operation. So our function is complete. So this example, define to simple mathematical function called sum of two numbers and multiple of two numbers, called sum of two integer numbers and multiple two integer numbers. This function each takes two integer value. This function takes two integer value and return one int value, and return an int value. And the type both this function and the type, so this is the type and the type both this function, type integer and this type of integer, integer, two parameter, integer and integer. So return this is the value of return integer, the type of function. And we can, this is the type of function. A function that has two parameter, both type of integer and both type of integer. Function that have two parameters, both type of integer, and the return a value of type integer, and return a value of integers, and return a type of integers. And another example, example for a function with no parameter or return value. Then we are going to create a function print hello world, world, which have no parameter and no return value. Print hello world, So the type of the function is void. So our function is complete. using type function, using function type, using function type, using function type, and using function type and function type in Swift, and using function type, use of function, declare of function. This is the declare, can use using function type. Let suppose let you use function type, suppose you use function type just like any other type in Swift. You use function like any other type in Swift. For example, you can define a constant. For example, you can define a constant. Let type 1. This is the name is type 1. Type 1 constant variable, constant or variable to be of function type and assign an appropriate function. This is a constant variable assigned to appropriate function, assigned to appropriate function name and appropriate function to that variable. So var type mathematic function, type some number, which is type of integer that have two parameter, integer and integer, that have written this an integer, written an integer an integer. So our type is the integer, written this is the integer and integer. So type some number of function this is that have two parameter, that have two parameter and one written a one parameter. So suppose this is two parameter, sum of two numbers, and the sum of two numbers equal to sum of two numbers, and this is the remove of the initializer, sum of two numbers. We can use print statement. We can use print. Suppose then we are going to create a print statement, print result, string interpolation result, string interpolation type some numbers, and then 2,3, two parameter and two argument type of two integer, and return is an integer. We can run sum of 5 and 2 and 5 sum of 7. We can use type function, and same then we are going to create a multiple function. So command C and command V, let type multiple, same two type argument and two type multiple. This is a remove argument name. So we can use print statement. So type this is a multiple numbers. We can run 2 and 5, 5 into 2 into 5, 10 with 7, and we can use third another example use. So this is a type of let type print, type hello, type of empty, and return this is a void, and assign the value, assign the function of print hello world, and we can use print statement, and we can use print statement. So type, so no, this is a no print statement. So type hello instance, then we are going to create an instance hello world 7 and 10. Thank you for watching this video type function. To enjoy this video.